Hey guys and gals, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. I have a little Happy Mail project that I created, and I'm going to give this away to somebody. So if you would like this after you've seen it, then just leave me a comment down below and then send me your address and an email. Just Charlene's Studio21 at gmail.com, and I'll put that on the screen so you can find it. And then yeah, just send me your address, leave me a comment. Make sure that I know that your username is the same as the email, and then I will just randomly pick somebody and I will send you this little Happy Mail project. Okay, and then maybe I'm going to do this once a month, I'm hoping, and then just randomly picking somebody and sending them a little something little like this, nothing too fancy, but yeah, kind of just something to make everybody a little smile on their face. What do you think? Okay, and you know what? I like Happy Mail. So if you guys want to send me some Happy Mail, just send me an email and I will send you my address. Okay, so that would be really nice. I haven't had a Happy Mail for a while. Okay, so this project and I don't even know where I got this project, but the all of the digitals that's in here, I downloaded from Art House Whimsy's KoFi site. Okay, and you can look her up, and this is from the Nature Journal's collage collection, and she has some phenomenal digital kits that you can download and use. This one, I used the freebie kit from the Nature Journal's collage collection. That's a mouthful. And so, yeah, so she has a lot, and she's so generous, and she has a lot of freebies on her site. So go check her out, and let me show you. I'll just try to leave that on the screen, hopefully, and I'll just show you what I've created here. Okay, so this is a little project that I created. That it is 4.5 by 4 inches tall. So it's not that big, but as you can see, it is kind of stuffed full in here. I've kind of put a lot of goodies in this little thing here. So this is the front and the edge that closures, and then this is the back. And almost everything in here is from Art House Whimsy's collection. Almost everything. I mean, of course, the fibers are mine, but the rest of it, comes from hers. So this is Velcroed closed. Okay, so that's a closure that's Velcroed. And then you open it up right here. And I just got a cute little tag that I backed. Here's another one with a little label that I paper clipped on. Just something cute. And then here is 2 tags in this pocket. This thing is full of pockets. Okay, so this is a tag, and I misquoted because this isn't a tag actually. It's a little booklet with little scraps inside. See, and this unfastens. That's the word I'm looking for. It unfastens. So you can see it's a little booklet that you can print out. It's really cute. Over here is another pocket on this side. I have another journal tag. This one I just put a little bit of lace right here at the top, and then just stuffed it with a couple of her little ephemera pieces that came in the kit. I mean, she gave this freebie kit is stuffed full with just just a bunch of ephemera. Okay, so this is a little clipboard, and I just backed it and put it in this pocket right here. And then whenever you flip this out this way, so we'll start here finishing this section up. So she had 2 little tags and then another journal card, and it goes in this vellum pocket that I created. I printed it out on a piece of one of her sheets on a piece of vellum. And then this is all just glued down there. Just decorations on that one, I guess. Over here is a couple of her journal tags. They're really cute. And then this is a pocket that I created, like a little half pocket. Let's kind of put those in there. Okay, so this closes up this way. And then, yeah, so over here we have this little tag here. I mean, this is definitely from her kit. Um, I mean, you can just see her style in this. Let's see, and then this little, let me get this out, this bottle, and I just put a little piece of string with one of her circle ephemera pieces dangling off of it, and I just sewed around all of that. Okay, so here is another little side tuck pocket right here, and with these cute little ephemera pieces. You can journal on all of them because I backed them all. And you can see a little piece of like, it's not exactly lace, but it's like, I forgot what the name of it exactly. But it's kind of like lace, but it's not. And then over here is, this flips, make sure I got that in all the way. Here we go. This flips open. And now we have this in our, I told you this thing is full of pockets. So I have this lace pocket on this side with these cute little pieces. And yeah, they're just, all of these were printed and glued on, just did decorations on our paper. And yeah, these go in here. And then this little piece, well, it got stuck. Okay, so this is a pocket right here. It's like a moon pocket. I'm going to call it a moon pocket, half a moon pocket with some journal cards. And then another half a moon pocket in the back up here with 3 tags. 3 tags. Actually, I'm going to take these out and so you can write on the back of the tags too. So they have strings, they have lace bits, just pretty. I'm going to take these out so you can actually see. You can see the 2 half moons and how they created a pocket there. And I got down here is like a little label. And this opens up. Yeah, lots. And this tag is actually stuck on there. So it became a belly band. So yeah, I got these 2 inside of this here. This actually isn't, I know it kind of might look like it's actually printed, but this is actually just some leftover scraps that I had, and I glued it onto the in strips, and I thought it really backed that tag, made that tag kind of pop out a little bit. So put that in, and then this is another like tuck spot right here with all these little goodies that I printed out. They all go in here, just like this. Okay, and on this side is another pocket with, let's see, we got like a little journal spot. We got a tag, isn't that beautiful? Another tag and a journaling card. And then maybe I should leave these ones out too so you can see the whole picture here. And then back here is a journaling tag in the pocket that's right behind this. And this is just a journaling tag. I just kind of left it plain. I thought it matched. And it has a little lace bit on it. Okay, put that back. Okay, I'll fill that back up in a minute. Okay, so that was everything. I'm going to show it to you one more time like that. See, and it just all closes right back up. So, yes, full 3 pages right there. You flip it open. You have this one and then this one. I mean, just look at all of these pockets, and they're all stuffed. So, yeah. Okay. So if you would like this, I'm gonna put these in first. If you would like this little folio, I'm gonna call it a little folio. If you'd like it, then just leave me a comment and email me your address so that I can send it to you. And I will just randomly pick somebody, and no rhyme or reason who I pick. I don't have any preferences or anything. So yeah, then I'll just pick somebody, and then I'll ship this out to you, and I will tell who won. Okay, well, not win. I mean, it's not a contest or anything like that. It's just me trying to send a little bit of happiness out there in the world. So I hope you guys enjoyed my little flip through here. And this is adorable, and it's stuffed. Look how full that is. So I can't wait to send that to somebody and make somebody smile, because it makes me smile just looking at this. I could go through this all day long and just pull out the tags and play with it. So I hope you guys have a blessed day, and I hope you guys leave me a comment and let me know what you think.